How's it going, folks? In this video, we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best budget dash cams on the market right now. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an ultra-affordable option that offers impressive performance with some solid features, or a higher-end affordable camera with crystal-clear 4K images and several useful functions, we'll have the best budget dash cam for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Some people might want a great, affordable dash cam that offers good value. The Verratek C500 is a solid choice that might suit your needs. Priced at a reasonable $60, the Verratek C500 is an inexpensive option that offers a solid price-to-performance ratio and lots of functionality. It also has a solid feature set, which includes a wide-angle lens to capture more of your surroundings, solid low-light image quality, and a useful loop recording mode. The installation process is easy and only takes a few moments. It comes with a mountable 2-inch display that won't take up space on your dashboard or block your vision, and it automatically powers up when you turn your vehicle on. I like that it has a G sensor that acts as an automatic motion detector, which is a solid security feature considering the affordable price. It captures video when it detects vibrations or movements to record emergency situations, and it keeps the footage safe, secure, and unable to be overwritten. While it doesn't have the advanced feature set of higher-end competitors, it has a useful screenshot function to quickly and easily capture images while you drive. Even though other cameras shoot in higher resolutions, the C500 can still capture solid 1080p footage of your surroundings at 30 frames per second that produces a crisp image with solid colors and plenty of detail. Even more, the low-light capabilities are impressive and they deliver solid quality at night or in darker lighting environments. I also think it gives you a solid field of vision, and you get a wide-angle 140-degree lens that provides comprehensive visual coverage without noticeably distorting the picture. The loop recording feature is useful and automatically records over older videos when storage space is low, so you won't need to worry about clearing space. The Verratek C500 is a great dash cam if you want an inexpensive option that provides solid bang for your buck. It comes with solid picture quality, a wide-angle lens with comprehensive viewing angles, and some useful features to quickly capture footage of your surroundings. If you want a quality budget dash cam with a backup camera, the $70 CHORTAU Dual Dash Cam is an inexpensive way to monitor your surroundings, and it has 2 cameras to cover your front and rear. It gives you comprehensive visual coverage with wide viewing angles, a useful automatic accident detection feature, and a user-friendly installation process. The installation process is intuitive, and it utilizes a suction cup mount that won't take up much dashboard space, although it tends to become loose in very hot or cold weather. The rear cam conveniently plugs into the back end of your vehicle, and it's waterproof to withstand harsh conditions. You get a bright 3-inch display, and it can support SD cards up to 32 gigabytes for local video storage, and it's powered by a lithium-ion battery. Both cameras shoot footage with a solid 1080p resolution to clearly capture license plates or road signs, and the dashcam has a 6-piece IR LED and wide dynamic range to deliver impressive low-light shots. The front and rear cameras also offer viewing angles of 170 degrees and 130 degrees to eliminate blind spots. It has a variable sensitivity G sensor that enables emergency recording while driving when it detects a collision to preserve relevant footage, and the loop feature overwrites older, non-essential footage to conveniently clear space. I also appreciate that the dashcam works with an internal battery, so it can deliver a 24-hour parking mode that automatically records when impact is detected. The camera also makes parking easier by providing guidelines when your car is in reverse. The CHORTAU Dual Dash Cam offers comprehensive visual coverage of what's happening in front of and behind you. It shoots video with solid quality in all lighting conditions, it delivers solid viewing angles without distorting your image, and you get some useful features to monitor your vehicle. For anyone who's looking for the best budget dash cam and cabin combo, the Anker Roav Dual Dash Cam Duo might be worth considering. Any rideshare drivers or parents who want to keep an eye on their children will benefit from the $75 Anker Roav Dual Dash Cam's versatile functionality. It gives you an easy way to view the inside and outside of your car, solid picture quality, and several useful security features. You get an interior and an external front-facing camera for comprehensive visual coverage, and you can rotate the interior camera horizontally or vertically. I also like that you get a bright 1.5-inch LCD display, and it gives you several useful advanced features, including access to the control settings, a screen for viewing footage in real time, and built-in GPS to track your location or driving speed. Plus, it has an emergency recording feature that automatically captures footage before and after a collision for accurate documentation, and it stores the recording to prevent it from being overwritten. Both cameras utilize a premium glass lens to produce crystal clear results. The 1080p resolution provides a solid image with plenty of detail. The low-light performance is relatively limited, but it utilizes dual 323 Sony sensors and Nighthawk vision technology to produce a respectable picture. You also get wide viewing angles, including a 155-degree front camera that can cover up to 4 lanes of traffic and a 110-degree camera to monitor your interior. It even gives you a parking mode to monitor your vehicle all day if you have a hardware kit, and the integrated G sensor automatically enables recording if it detects movement. I believe the Anker Roav Dual Dash Cam is the best you can get if you want affordable interior and exterior coverage. It gives you a large field of vision for additional visibility, some automatically enabled safety features, and a built-in GPS to accurately track your travel data. Now, some people might be interested in a dash cam with Wi-Fi connectivity, and the $100 Verratek V1 4K could be the right choice for you with advanced functionalities. It delivers reliable Wi-Fi connectivity to wirelessly pair your device. It also comes with several useful features, including high-end video recording quality, a wide viewing angle to capture more of your surroundings, and a robust build. You get an intuitive installation process and a low-profile design that can be easily hidden from observers. Unlike many lower-end budget dash cams, it relies on a top-notch supercapacitor to deliver power, and it can withstand extreme temperatures from -20 degrees to 176 degrees Fahrenheit for enhanced durability. You get a relatively large and bright 2.4-inch LCD screen that supports micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes. I think the built-in Wi-Fi connection is the headline feature, and it allows you to conveniently transfer your recordings to your devices via the app. It also has an emergency record function that preserves footage directly before and after a collision. It offers outstanding video quality, and it can capably capture 4K video with stunning colors, high contrast performance, and impressive detail. It utilizes a 7-layer glass lens to produce a crystal-clear image with a 170-degree ultra-wide viewing angle for greater visual coverage without distorting, along with wide dynamic range technology to adjust the exposure for optimal performance in low-light environments. It also incorporates a G sensor for 24-hour parking monitoring, which automatically enables surveillance mode to capture footage whenever it detects vibrations, but this requires an additional hardware kit to properly function. The loop recording feature also intuitively records over non-essential videos to free up space. The Verratek V1 4K is an excellent option that delivers outstanding video quality and several advanced features at a budget-friendly price. You get reliable 4K video, impressively wide viewing angles for more visibility, and it comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. If you want the best budget-friendly dashcam, the $110 Verratek C500 Pro is a high-quality option and is one of the best cameras on the market. It offers outstanding image quality. It gives you plenty of useful features such as built-in GPS functionality to track your data, a generous amount of external storage space, and 24/7 parking monitoring. The camera's installation process is relatively simple and has plug-and-play functionality, so it automatically begins recording when you start your vehicle. I like that it offers built-in GPS, so you'll be able to track your travel data, including your location and speed. While the 3.7-inch IPS display takes up more dashboard space than competitors, it won't obstruct your vision. It remains readable in daylight, and it offers a useful screen capture function to snap high-resolution images from your footage. The display also supports SD cards up to 256 gigabytes to provide plenty of storage, and it has a loop recording feature that automatically records over older files to free up space. I think the video quality is a standout feature, and it delivers outstanding Ultra HD 4K footage at 30 frames per second to produce a crisp and colorful image. Unfortunately, the 106-degree linear viewing angle is somewhat narrow, but it gives you a stunning image with no noticeable distortion. You get a Sony CMOS sensor and a Sony Stravis lens that perform well in all lighting environments, and it produces night vision pictures with outstanding detail. The motion detection capabilities are also impressive, and it utilizes a G sensor to enable the emergency recording function after collisions to preserve essential footage, along with 24/7 parking monitoring that automatically records when it detects movement near your car. The Verratek C500 Pro Dashcam is a high-end dashcam that won't cost you very much. It provides outstanding image quality in most lighting conditions, a large display with some essential functions, and a user-friendly installation process. I would recommend this if you're looking for quality.